Hello student, good morning. So we are in the algebraic expression. So in my previous video, I have explained about types of algebraic expression. Binomial, trinomial, multinomial, nothing but polynomial. Also in my previous video, we learn about how to find the degree of the polynomial. Also we learn how to do the addition of the polynomial expression like horizontal method and the column method. So if you have any doubts, please drop a comment into the comment box. So if you need any extra explanation or anything, just drop a message into the comment box so I can again repeat the same thing and I will get back to you. And if any improvement is needed also, just feel free to convey your message to me. So till now we are learn about polynomial addition. In today's class we are going to see about how to do the addition of the polynomial expression. So there are many terms will be there. How to do the subtraction of that terms in the algebraic expression. So suppose we know the identity additive inverse. Maybe in the many properties of the numbers we know the reciprocal or multiplication identity or additive identity. So like that here additive inverse is there. What is mean by additive inverse? The number plus you take any numbers plus the inverse of that number, inverse of that number will get a 0. That is the additive inverse. So suppose 3 is the number. The inverse of the 3 is minus 3. If you subtract 3 minus 3, you are getting 0. This is called as the additive inverse. Means number of that same number, when we are subtracting, we are getting the 0. So then this is about the numbers. How it is possible in the variables? Suppose here 3x is there. So what is the additive inversity of 3x is minus 3x. When we subtract, we are getting 0. What is the additive inverse of 4y? That is a minus 4y. So you are getting 0. Suppose the additive inverse is given as 5a. So what is the additive inverse of minus 5a? With the opposite sign, that is a plus 5a. So you are getting again here 0. So whatever numbers are given, you have to take the opposite sign with that number. So you are getting the additive inverse of that number. So hope you understand what is meant by additive inverse, or we call it is a additive inverse of that given number. For example, suppose now we will move ahead because this we need in the doing the subtraction also. So whenever we are doing the subtraction, we are moving ahead with the additive inverse also. So now subtraction of the polynomial. So now we are going to learn about how to subtract the polynomial expression. Suppose I have here the example is 11a minus 6a. This is the like terms. Here also a, here also a. Only constants are different here. So how to do the subtraction of this? How to subtract 11 minus 6a? Because like term is, we can easily subtract. If the like terms are there, it's very easy to subtract. If it is unlike is there, then it is difficult to subtract. But now here like terms are there. So now take this 11 minus 6 in one square bracket. So now you can easily, because a is the common in both. So take the a out. 11 minus 6. So 11 minus 6 is 5. So 5a is your answer. So this way you can do the subtraction of the like terms. If you want to do with the, this is the horizontal way. Suppose we want to do the vertical. You can take 11a minus 6a. So 11 1 minus 6 is, that is 11 here. So 11 minus 6 is 5a. So in this way also you can do the subtraction, because very less terms are there. So easily you can use any one method to do your subtraction. Also I have many examples here. So first I want to subtract minus 4a from 7a. So how to do the subtraction for this? So here directly they are given, subtract minus 4a from 7a. So because from is given, so you have to take a 7a first, minus, because we are doing the subtraction. So this is the sign of subtraction, minus, then minus 4a. The second term we are taking as it is, because this is both are like terms here. So now again take the 7 minus plus 4 and a outside. So 7 plus 4 is 11a. Don't do the mistake here 7 minus 4, because here minus sign, here also minus sign. So minus plus. So it is a 11a. So this is the answer you are getting when you do the subtraction. So when here very less terms are there, so easily you can do the subtraction. Also you can use here also the column method, 7a minus 4a. Here whenever the signs in subtraction, we have to change the sign of the second row. So here minus is there, so here will come plus. So 7 plus 4, that is 11a, and here sign will come as a plus, because 7 is the bigger number. Which number is bigger, that big number sign will come into the result. So this way you can do the subtraction of any like terms. Now we will move ahead. So here I have, we'll go with the column method. So I have taken the example here. Subtract 3p minus 8q plus 5r from 7p minus plus 5q minus 3r. So this is the example given here. So here the question is asked here to subtract this minus this, because subtract, this is 7 is a bigger number. So you have to take a second, in whenever you are doing the subtraction, after from will come on the top and subtract will come on the down part. So now solution here. Take this 7p plus 5q minus 3r. So first row we are written now. When we are arranging the second row or second terms, that time wherever the like terms are there, they will come under each other. So now here it will not come 8q here, because whatever the p terms are there, that p only will under come on the 7p. So what is here then? 3p minus 8q plus 5r. So now you have to do the subtraction here. So when you are doing the subtraction, first method is you are arranging into the column format. Once the like terms are under each other, then you have to change the sign of the second row. So you have to change the sign of the sub. Here now it is a plus 3, because no sign means it is a plus. So this become minus. Here minus is there, this become plus, because you have to change the second row sign. Here it is a plus, then this become a minus. So like that you have to change the sign of each number. Now here you have to start now subtracting. 7 minus 3, that is a 4p. And here plus 7 is bigger, so here also plus only coming. Now here 8, this you have to take this plus 8 plus 5, that is a plus 13q, because here 8 is a bigger number. So 8 bigger numbers I will come here. So 8 plus 5 is 30q. Now again here it is a minus. So minus 5 minus 3, that is a minus 8. Minus minus become plus. So we are adding the numbers that time. We are not subtracting here, because this minus 5, this minus 3 become a minus 8r, and this is your answer. So whenever you are doing the subtraction into the column method, first thing you have to change the sign of the second row. In column, whatever you are writing into the column, in that this is the first row. In the second row you have to change the sign. If it is plus, you have to make a minus, and if it is minus, you have to make a plus. So in this way you can change the sign of that number. So now we will move ahead and we'll start doing one more example. So here so hope you understand how we have done the subtraction here. Now next, subtract. The question will come here. Subtract 3x minus 5x square minus 6 from 4x square minus 5x plus 9. So this is your question. So in that time, first thing you have to arrange the terms. Whatever the like terms are there, you have to arrange first. So this, from this number you are subtracting this number. So this definitely this will be the first row. So 4x square minus 5x plus 9. So you are written. Understood? First we are taken after from, because whenever we are doing the subtraction, subtract this from this number. So this number we are coming on the top and this number on the down. Now here 4x square is there. So we have to see what number will come here, because here it is 3x, but here it is 5x square. So this number along with the sign, it is coming down. So minus 5x square. Now here nothing is there, it is a plus sign. So plus 3x, and this minus constant, it is 6. So you have done the arrangement of the numbers in the column format. Now the next step is you have to change the sign of each terms. So here it is minus, so this become a plus. This is plus, this become a minus, and this is minus, this become a plus. So each and every terms you change the sign here, because we are doing the subtraction. Now plus 5, now we will ignore this sign earlier written. So plus 5 plus 4, that is a 9x square, minus 3 minus 5, that is a minus 8x. Now here bigger number is 9. So definitely sign will come for the bigger number. 9 plus 6. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So plus 15. This is your answer. So the required result is 9x square minus 9x square minus 8x plus 15. This is the required result. So this way you can solve any numbers of sum in the polynomials. So very simple also will take, or very difficult. This whatever questions comes, you have to follow the same method only. Sometimes the question will come, what must be added 7 to 6x to get a 4x plus 1. So we'll see one more example like this. So you'll understand how to do that type of example. So here the question is here like this. How much is p minus 2q plus 3r less than 3r plus 5. So these type questions will be there. So in that also time you have to think less than definitely it is a subtraction. Something is going out, less it is decreasing. So how much is p minus 2q plus 3r less than 3r plus 5. So now we will arrange into the column format. Solution: p minus 2q plus 3r. Arranging number first row. Now second row, there is no p, there is no q. Directly there is 3r is given. So plus 3r and constant plus 5. So now you have to change the sign of each terms. Here plus is there, so definitely minus will come. Here minus is there, so definitely will come plus. Here plus is there, so minus, and plus is there, again it is a minus. So now we move ahead. See, minus p as it is. This is minus, this is a plus. What is the bigger number here? 2p. Here nothing is there. That means will come as it is. So we are writing here plus 2q minus plus 3r minus 3r will cancel here, and plus 5 as it is. So your answer is minus p plus 2q plus 5. So in this way we are getting the answer here. So suppose if any time this type of questions comes, you have to first arrange into the column format, and then you can change the sign, and then you can do the subtraction. So this is the one more type of sums we are done in the subtraction type. So also suppose sometimes only two terms are given, and they'll ask you do the subtraction. Suppose subtract a square plus a minus 1 from a minus a square. So this way the sum is given. Subtract a square plus a minus 1 from a minus a square. The first thing you have to arrange the like terms together. You have to write in the first column format. So first you are taking this number, because that number is the after form is coming. So a minus a square. There is no constant. Only a and a square, two variables are there. Here a square is there. So you can't write a square here, because this is a higher power, or we call it as the higher degree of the a, and this is the only single degree, so we can't take here a. So wherever a square is there, so plus a square. So after that here a will come, because here also plus sign only, so definitely here a will come. After that minus 1. So now you done the arrangement here. Now here you have to change the sign. This is minus, because here plus is there, so it is minus. This is minus, and this become a plus. Now you have to add. This is plus a minus a. It will cancel, because it is a 0. Because it is an additive inverse. A and minus a, and it become a 0. Minus 2a minus a square become a minus 2a square plus 1 because here plus sign is there, so it will become plus. So in this way you can do the subtraction of the polynomial. So here many terms are there, but still you can do the subtraction. So in today's class we learn about what is additive inverse, because whenever see here also we got the additive inverse. Additive inverse means numbers with the opposite sign. When we two numbers and his opposite numbers we are taking, then the results we are getting the here 0. Such type of numbers is called as a additive inverse. So using this additive inverse we done the subtraction with the like terms and also with the unlike terms also, because sometimes there are unlike terms also present. So even we can do the unlike terms here in our previous year. See, a square a, these are here terms are different, the degree of the terms is different, but still we can do the subtraction. So in our today's class we learn about subtraction of the polynomial, how to do the subtraction in polynomial. Hope you understand what we learn in today's class. If you have any doubt, you can message me or you can write in the comment box. And you have to, if you like my videos, please try to subscribe and give the thumbs up and like and write the comments also into the comments box. And any improvement needed also just mention into the comment box. So till then, keep studying. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day. Thank you so much. Please make sure like and subscribe my channel and give the thumbs up and comments into the comment box. Thank you.